Want to play Fortnite on your PC or laptop but don't know where to start? Don't worry. In this video, I'll show you step by step how to play Fortnite on your PC or laptop. Let's get started. Step 1. Download Epic Games Launcher. First, you'll need the Epic Games Launcher. Open your web browser and go to the official Fortnite Games website. Download the Epic Games Launcher and install it on your PC or laptop. Once the download finishes, now install Epic Launcher. Go to the download folder and run Epic Launcher exe file to start install. Once the installation is finished, open the launcher and sign into your Epic Games account. If you don't have an account, you can create one during the sign-in process. Use your gaming account email ID and password to log in to Epic Launcher, or click Create an Account. Click Yes if you already played games on your console, else click No. Provide your date of birth and click Continue. Provide your email ID and press Continue. Now provide your name, create password, and create a display name. Accept Term of Service checkbox and press Continue button. To verify your email address, provide 6-digit security code received on your email and press Continue button. Provide methods to enable two-factor authentication from email, app, SMS, or Epic Authenticator and press Continue button. Now link your Xbox, PS5, or Nintendo account if you already using gaming console. After linking, press Done linking to continue. Epic Launcher will ask for permissions, just click Allow or Yes. Step 2. Install Fortnite. Now, look for Fortnite in the Epic Games Store. Select Fortnite and click the option to get or install the game. Choose the location where you want to install Fortnite and start the download. Keep in mind that Fortnite is a large game, so the download and installation may take some time depending on your internet speed and computer. Once Fortnite has finished installing, click Launch. The game may take a little while to start the first time. After Fortnite opens, sign in if required and wait for the main menu to load. If you're playing with a keyboard and mouse, Fortnite uses familiar PC controls. Use W, A, S, and D to move around. Use your mouse to look and aim, and use the left mouse button to fire or interact. You can open the settings menu to change your keyboard controls, mouse sensitivity, graphics, audio, and other options. If you're using a controller, connect it to your PC and configure your controller settings in Fortnite. And that's how you can play Fortnite on a PC or laptop. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications for more gaming tutorials. Thanks for watching,